elected representatives and the general public, entrepreneurs and investors, social entrepreneurs and impact investors, and the youth at large and the people of Kalahandi in the development process of the district, and to debate and discourse how we can take forward this great soil of Kalahandi. It aims to offer an insightful platform on development interventions and solutions that have emerged from the collaborative realms of public policy, entrepreneurship, and social innovation. There could be no better place to initiate a dialogue like this than Kalahandi for effecting positive social changes, because the story of Kalahandi is a story of hope. It's a story of resilience, which we would like to tell to the outside world. When I was a young boy studying and growing up in Kalahandi, in Bhawanipatna, negative connotations and negative bells of the district rang in the whole world. 2 decades ago, Kalahandi epitomized abject poverty, underdevelopment, and had pricked the nation's conscience for famines, hunger, starvation, and all-round underdevelopment. Today, Kalahandi is an emerging success story. It's an emerging, remarkable development success story, which we would like to tell and showcase to the outside world. This has been possible because of the right policies, proper implementation of government programs, and political will and leadership. This is no small achievement. I salute the hardworking, brave, and proud people of Kalahandi for this achievement. It is our great honor that this conclave is being inaugurated by none other than the Chief Minister of Odisha, Sri Naveen Patnaik, who is the architect of this great transformation. On behalf of people of Kalahandi, we thank you profusely, sir, for your special love and affection for the district, and we look forward to your continued leadership and guidance in our development journey. Drawing inspiration from our beloved Chief Minister, we have tried to minimize the use of plastic in this conclave for the betterment of the environment. Finally, I would like to state that Kalahandi Dialogue is a unique platform that will not be just a dialogue forum, but rather will also like to take appropriate collaborative and multi-stakeholder approach towards development. I want to welcome you all once again to my district Kalahandi and wish you a pleasant and comfortable stay over the next 3 days. I hope that you will go back with lasting friendships and wonderful and pleasant memories of our district. Let's celebrate the spirit of Kalahandi. Let's celebrate the spirit of resilience, transformation, sustainability, and hope. Thank you all.